You saw the Diablo. Here's another European car, the poor, much-scorned Trabant. As the wall fell, East Berliners saw the cars of the West, and thus they want a quick end to the smoke-belching Trabant, which is the only thing quick about the symbol of communism. The People's Trabant Works didn't exactly turn out a variety of models. This is a decade of designs. There was a 10-year wait for the car. West Germans today are surprised to see the little guys. They have a number of good-natured questions, such as where is the engine?
Das ist der Motor.
Das ist
Das ist der Tank.
Oh,
Das ist die Batterie dahinter. Das ist die Batterie.
batteries. Now, as an Etzel owner, the Trabant seemed like a natural.
Ja?
Ja.
Kupplungstreten.
Ja.
Treten.
Oh, treten.
Erster Gang.
Oh, erster
Ja?
Gang.
Erster Gang.
Erster
Zweiter.
Gang. Zweiter.
Zweiter. Hier raus.
Ja.
Dritter.
Ja.
Vierter.
Bitte.
Ja?
Ja, ja. Ah, ja. Somehow I managed to back up without causing an international incident. Going forward is a bit more of a challenge. We discovered the problem. Eine first gear is kaputt. Some say it's like riding on top of a chainsaw. I found it like riding a lawnmower. Das ist ein Trabant. Ein sehr gut Trabant. It's not a great car in the European tradition. Probably one of the ugliest and worst performing crates in the world. But like a mangy stray dog, how could you not love it?